What's up, money makers? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to cover 3 stocks that have done tremendously well in today's trading session. While NASDAQ is up 469 points or 3.41%, Dow Jones is up 406 points or 1.17%. These 3 stocks have massive potential. They can double in next few weeks or months, if not in 2022. There's a massive potential for these stocks. The first one on my list is Senseonics Holding, ticker symbol SENS, $2.68. It is up 12% in just today's trading session. The second stock on the list is Lucid, LCID, which is up 8.25% at $29.39. The last and the third stock on this video that I'm going to cover is IQST. It's a penny stock, 68 cents. It is up 2% in today's trading session, but it has a massive potential. I called out this stock when it was in its 40s and it went all the way to 75 cents and got back down and closed at 68 cents. They're getting ready to get listed on NASDAQ, and you want to watch this out because you can turn your investment 2x and 3x and 4x in IQST. But at the least, I'm expecting it'll hit more than $1 anytime soon. So watch this out. I want to share a ton of juicy and important details in this video, but in the return, I want to ask you if you can hit the like button and if you can hit the subscribe button. That will be super helpful for the growth of this channel. It does not really cost you anything, and it will be a tremendous help to share the word out. So do make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe button. If you're feeling extra happy this Monday, you can click the join button on this video, and you can also join the Patreon. It doesn't really cost you much. It is $4.99 a month. We have a private Discord. We call out on many penny stocks as well as OTC stocks. Also the growth stocks like Lucid, Tesla, Neo, and many other. And we also talk a ton about cryptocurrencies too. You can directly talk to me on your Discord, and we can do a ton bigger and better in 2022. So hit that like and subscribe at the list. Let's jump into Senseonics. The stock has a tremendous momentum. There's a big catalyst coming up. We were $2.40, closed at $2.68. Take a look, our 52-week range. We went as high as $5.56 and got back down. One of the biggest catalysts is their FDA approval. If you don't really know what the company does, I just wanted to call out that this is a CGM, continuous glucose monitoring system, one of a kind, very innovative company, and they are ready to launch their 180-day product, which is right now into the FDA approval phase. Now, why I'm super excited and why I'm optimistic about this product is because of this presentation. Take a look. They already have FDA approval for 90-day SENS system since 2018. Right after that, they started working on their 180-day product, and right now that product is into the FDA approval. In 2016, the company had this 90-day product. They came up with XL or SENS XL extra large system 180-day in 2017. So that product is around for a while. The first and only long-term solution, an implantable CGM, which is continuous glucose monitoring system that is available by prescription in United States and the selected market in the European region, which is a proven technology with rich development history, regulatory approval, and commercial accomplishment. In 2018, they got an FDA approval for their 90-day product. So all in all, the company knows how to get an approval from FDA. They really know how to make their case, and also what number that they want to show. Even if the FDA has some questions, they should be able to answer them and filter out some of the last minute changes or the asks in just no time. The company was expecting this particular approval in 2021, which did not happen, which is a new ever since 180-day sensor anticipated approval, which is in the investigational device exemption or IDE anticipated submission phase at the moment, and it is going to happen anytime soon. We're all waiting to hear back from the company that can shoot this price up for Senseonics to $4. We have been repeatedly seeing that the spikes come up as soon as there are some news around the approval. If you take a look, how did we do? We're at 15.8 million in volume on January 28. We saw the $2.10, which was the low price point, and today we got back up to almost $2.68-69 with the 8.7 million volume. Now, whenever we see that FDA approval news, this stock can spike up just in no time, and we may not even have time to look into or buy into. You want to do your own due diligence because it might be a case that buy the news and sell the rumor, buy the rumor rather and sell the news kind of a situation. But all in all, they have a partnership with a company called Ascensia, and Ascensia is pretty much doing their marketing and selling into the regions for both United States and European region so that Senseonics can focus what they're great at. They're not going to stop just right here. After the 180-day approval, they also have 365-day product into the pipeline. You really want to see this graph right here. The RSI is 51, which is something I love to see. If you take a look at the moving average, which is $2.80, and right now we are 268, so we are going to overcome this particular moving average that you see in the green dotted graph on my screen. The moving average, the MACD, is something I really don't like to see the way it is right now, but that can only go into the positive direction, and it could add a ton of value in the upcoming future. So you want to focus on Senseonics. I hope you like this information. The second stock on my list is LCID, which did extremely well today as well, 8.25% up. If you take a look at 5 days, we are down 20%. For 1 month, we are down 28%, and 6 months, we are up 23%. For year to date, we are still down, and which is suggesting a buying opportunity. If you take a look, the year range, $16 is the low price point. The highest was $64, so there is a potential that it can hit 2x if someone buys it around 25 cents, $25 rather, $25 to $30. Why it went up today? So let's take a look why Lucid Stock lit up today. So shares of Tesla rival Lucid Group powered higher on Monday. So let's take a look at what Tesla did. Tesla is up 10.68%, and it is above now 900 with $936.72. So with that, the investors read an upgrade on Tesla and wonder it might mean good things for Lucid Stock too. So what exactly happened this morning? Swiss mega bank Credit Suisse upgraded the shares of Tesla and stock to outperform. Credit Suisse particularly loves Tesla for its fast growth, high profitability margin, and potential to earn as much as 25% this year than anyone else on the Wall Street. That is possibility of 3 factors that may not be necessary for true for Lucid, but it is into the EV space. As soon as the supply chain management things work out well, Lucid is going to get benefit out of. If you take a look, what is the tip ranks analysts are saying, this is not me, but the analysis from tip ranks, they are suggesting an average price within the next 12 months of $41.20, which is 40% upside all in all. In my personal opinion, I believe that it is going to hit $60. Lucid Stock is going to hit $60 in 2022. One of the analysts is saying that $60 is the high price point, but they're predicting that it's going to hit $60, and I'm with them. With the average price point 41.20, the lowest price point is coming from one of the Morgan Stanley analysts who is suggesting or predicting $16, which I disagree with. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor, my personal opinion, and this video is only for the entertainment purposes. There are 6 analyst rating where 2 are saying buy, 3 are saying hold, and 1 from Morgan Stanley, they are saying a sell. But in my opinion, this is going to be a year of EV followed by many more years to come, and within next 1 decade, we'll be seeing that the EV vehicle companies will do extraordinary well, and Lucid could be one of them. If you take a look at Lucid, how did they do in today's trading session? We got back down in last few days, so we were at around $40. Before that, we hit $55 just right here in early January. Early November, we were at $55. We got back down gradually. In January, we saw 45 as a high price point and got back down to $29. I wouldn't be surprised it goes back. If it goes back to $45 to $50 at this price, at that price point, that could double. That could be an opportunity to double the money if you bought the Lucid stock when I called out precisely when it was somewhere around here before a few months. So watch out for that opportunity. I personally believe that $27, $28, and $29 is still a juicy price point, and you can look further into what's the best price point for you. In the past, we have seen that it hit all-time high $58, $60, got back down. Once again, it went to $55 somewhere here in late Q4 or November, December 2021, got back down, went back up to 45, and once again, we are in 20s with a massive potential only going upward. So you want to really focus on what you want to do. By the way, this spike 8.25% is coming when the volume is even below the average volume. The third stock on my list I'm going to cover is IQST, which is up 1.94%, but all in last 5 days, and I could be extremely lucky, but I called out this stock when it was below 50 cents, precisely 47 cents, that it is a buy. And if you bought it at that price point, you are looking into a massive profit at the moment as well. Take a look, we are looking at 40% up just in 5 to 6 days, which is a massive upside in just 5 to 6 days. So congrats if you bought it at that price point. For 5 days, we're up 36%, which is massive. And for 1 month, we are still down 25%. For 6 months, we are up almost 50%, which means if you bought this stock around this price point that we just spoke about, there is an opportunity that you can ride for free. And you can watch my previous video when I call this stock out, how to ride for free. Now, why I'm super excited about this stock is their market cap right now is a shy of $100 million with 98.7 million. But what I'm excited about is their authorized shares, which are only 300 million. Now, why I am saying only 300 million is because we have seen massive authorized shares for some of the OTC stocks that are going on NASDAQ, like ILS, CYBL, HCMC, so on and so forth. The outstanding shares are 147 million, as you see, and I'm super optimistic because the company shared this information with us where they're saying, by the way, if you don't really know what the company is, this is a company that has B2B division, business-to-business division, branded IQST Telecom, offers telecommunication solutions, Internet of Things, which is kind of the next buzz into the technology industry. They're also invested in global markets with B2C division, branded EVAS and EV vehicle motorcycle, and they're also focused in Latin America and the Spanish speakers in the United States. They are super optimistic about what they do, and they mention that they are seeing a positive momentum, very great momentum towards NASDAQ uplisting. The management's confidence and enthusiasm for IQST is remaining super high. They mentioned that we are still fresh off the monumental finish to 2021, and they saw the companies achieving record revenue even higher than their original forecast, combined with the reaching the shareholder equity requirement for NASDAQ listing. Now, whenever an OTC stock hits NASDAQ, we can see $2 to $3 price point, and right now for IQST, we are only at 68 cents. If you bought it at 50 cents or 40 cents rather, you have opportunity to 5x money. You get 5x price point from where you bought, and you can definitely ride for free along the way. Not only that, the revenue goal or revenue, $90 million revenue forecast for 2020 and NASDAQ uplisting in the first half of 2022 are lofty. So they have stretched their goals, and they're looking forward to muscle their energy and their strength to make sure that they get uplisted on NASDAQ within 6 months or sooner than that in 2022, which is a massive catalyst in itself. I wanted to share this information with you. I want to leave you with one thing about IQST. So take a look, 1.7 million volume right now. We saw the 74 cents price point. We closed at 68 cents. I precisely called out we're up 37% in just 5 days. Many of you, if you're watching this channel, you want to hit the like button. You want to subscribe to the channel as well so you don't miss out on some of the time sensitive updates. If you want to turn on the notification bell, even better, it will notify you every single time I post a video. You want to also note that the RSI for IQST is super stunning. 57 RSI suggests not an over but not an oversold condition that can help push the stock price even higher tomorrow and for the rest of the week. Take a look, 59 right now, the moving average, and we're up and about 68 cents. Oh boy, this is something I love to see. And we are ready for next run up, and it can be as high as 90 cents. I wouldn't be surprised in next few weeks it is hitting, if it hits double than what we see right now, which is $1.40. Ladies and gentlemen, I end this video with this information. I hope you like it. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. If this is your lucky day, also hit the join button on YouTube. Doesn't really cost you a lot of money. If you want to join Patreon and talk to my private Discord, just click on the link down below into the description, join the private Discord, and we'll talk a lot more. We talk about cryptocurrency, we talk about other stocks, and we are looking for bigger, better future in 2022. Happy investing, and I'll see you in the next video.